Yo, let me get copyright. Oh, YouTube, what's happening? First of all, they need to get that copyright stuff out of here, man. Like for real, for that's just stupid. It's music everywhere. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here this little call me thing. It's called cruising the coast though. It's cruising the coast. Right now I'm in Gulfport, but it's all up and down the coast, Gulfport, Biloxi, whatever it go. But right now I'm in Gulfport. They got this cruising the coast thing with all these old schools and just cars or whatever. So a little Mazda drop top Mazda sitting in front of me, Maserati. So we gonna go check that out. Oh, it's been a minute since I vlogged on the camera. You know I'm always using my phone because the phone just, I don't know, my phone camera always better, and then I just edit straight from the phone, to be honest with you, straight from the phone. For real, for real. But we gonna go out there, check out a few little things, you hear me? See what's really happening out this way. And I'm gonna let y'all get a little footage of it. Yo, what's up YouTube? So I'm out here, call me to action. I'm gonna go check it out. And I'm gonna let y'all check it out with me. Alright, let's do that then. Turn around. Whole station wagon, you hear me? This thing.
Mama, wait, I can't see. Mama.
Whip game. That thing. I think somebody let me sell. I think somebody sell me one. I'm just gonna skip the taking care of rebuilding one and just buy one. Straight off of them. Straight off somebody. Alright. Got to go ahead and chip. Right on time for that. I ain't vlogged from the camera in a long time. I can't even hold it right.
Wait a little way.
Oh, got one for sale. I want a little Volkswagen or the Scooby-Doo van. Well, y'all, I guess I'm late because all the cars didn't left. So everybody didn't dip. That's what it looked like. Uh-oh. I might go get me a little, what they say, Pop Brothers? What they made? Ice cream? Oh, you should. If y'all don't know me, I'm about ice cream. We're gonna go catch them things. See what's happening. But I guess I'm late because all the whips gone. And I'm out here walking around. And like, a lot of the cars gone. Cold-blooded. But I ain't know this was right. I just so happened to got me something to eat and was like, oh, let me go pull up real quick. Some content for y'all. Check this shit out though. Man, what the fuck is this? SWAT.
But anyway,
It be mine.
I've always wanted to. No, me. Well, Uncle G too. Uncle G, Garcia. Old Garcia. And then Wyrick. Wyrick, that's his boo.
Get you one of these. You ready for the zombie apocalypse? You heard me? I want one just to run over some shit in me. Fuck around, Mr. Oh, call me stupid ass. Hey, Mr. Oh, like this bitch. Look at Santa Claus. Oh, I got a little shade. Oh, I got a little shade. I might have some bombers in my teeth. I went to church and gave me some bombers. Look at Playboy. But yeah, I went to churches and got me some bombers. That's the only thing I eat from churches too. Meaty. Boy, that's a paint. That's a paint job. Oh, that's a paint. That's a wrap. It's paint. I figured that. I figured it was paint. Man, look at this. What is happening here?
Toddlers, babies, whatever.
Man.
My God.
Look at this thing. That bit clean. My bad on my camera skills, y'all. I ain't been vlogging from the camera. Man, look at this bitch here. This bitch might take off and take flight. This bitch might take flight.
It shifts in the next year, but it's not gonna made something regular about by
Fat boys on there.
Most likely on this car, since it's full drag racing, we'll probably have the manual about by the way he has to shift it.
Shit. I know my camera skills suck, but it's all good. We out here though. You know we out here. Just for y'all, cause I ain't know this was popping. So I said, man, what's the care about for? Look at this bitch. Hey, these the kind of cars they used to chase like girls in back in the days. Tell me this thing used to chase us in these back in the day. Oh, they got a whole little gang around here. The Saints played today, but I ain't got my jersey on. Or nothing Saints attire. We could have won though, but we didn't. It's all gravy. We're gonna get them the next time, hopefully.
All state trooper cars.
Oh, I left my damn towel. Damn, bruh. I always do that. I forget the towel, and then when I bring it, I forget to bring it with me. Always leave it in the damn car. I bet you he don't want to sell it. No, I don't want that one. They got a concert down there, you know. What YouTubers always say. Y'all don't know? Copyright, copyright. Oh, they got food and shit. I'm in a regular spot. About food. Man, look at this bitch. Good boy. like this bitch. Sexy.
Right. Here, you gotta cut that thing right there. That's a cruising car, man. Look, that's for a pimp drive. Yeah.
I bet you.
Hey, Will, if your car was as big as this, you'd never get it back. We're painting it. We're painting it. We're playing it up in the head. Yeah, I guarantee you.
Getting back in the truck, chilling. Ooh, my camera skills horrible. Hey, look at this. Look at that.
Pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
How'd you hey, no, did you wax my car? Shit, no, man.
That bitch low on the ground. I ain't no way to go for real, y'all. Shit everywhere. Trying not to sweat. It's hard not to sweat with this sun beaming on your ass. Real. Just real life cars everywhere, yeah. They anywhere? Yeah, they anywhere. Got the GTO thing out. Look at that bit. They got them bitches all in the gate. That's some big ass tires.
It's a fun vehicle.
I touched them tires and got the shit all on my hand, but they didn't put the tire shine on them bitches. Uh-oh. Not the SS. Got the SS out here. This big. I don't know, blue my favorite color. Man, look at the shit on that bed. Got the top up. Oh, look out the Nova. That's a Nova? Sure live. They got shit back there, but y'all seen that boy on that bike? They got shit back there, but they back there jamming, trying to copyright the boy. Damn, they trying to copyright me back there. Man, this boy. want 25K for that thing.
That could be yours.
What y'all think? 25? Nah, no. Hey. I can't do 25 with that one. Over there. This. Edie. They out here straight chilling like villains. Man, quit playing. That boy said, who won't race? You hear me? Who won't race? Man, look at this bitch. Man, all kind of shit out here today. You hear me? Well, I'm gonna go back that way, but shit, they back there playing music, which I figured somebody would be. Look at this bitch. Pull up then. Call it 5 on that bitch. I got cars everywhere though. This their event t-shirts.
You gotta let me go, baby.
Oh, that's Cruising the Coast t-shirts. Bruh. What that say? October 2nd. Monday, 10 a.m. to 1. So this cruise central where? Right here? Oh, Long Beach. I ain't with it. Look at this bit.
It's a 64, baby.
The sun in that bit. Man, I told her it was hot, and I am that. Look at that big ass flag. Big ass hot, which I knew it would be. And that ain't the 18 van, eh? That boy got an 18 van. It's like it just ain't the color, it ain't black. It's on gravy. Let's see what else I can find out here for y'all. That boy got a truck with no back. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. Say bet $5. That truck over there clean. That bitch rimmed up. months and more.
Out of mine.
They in there whip, they ready to roll. Man, look at this bitch way up there. What that boy hitting them shots? In the air shot.
He got those still inside.
They got so many cars around every corner and block, bro. You can't even. I left my freaking towel. Dirty bitch. Shit. Look at chips. The bully looking like chips. Oh, they got the nachos out. Ugh. I love some nachos. Man, I need to go get some cash. Right damn sure get some nachos. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna eat them and hold this camera though.
No, there's no protocol.
Yeah, boy, I got the arm out here. Look this clean. And you got that thing on the hood.
Excuse me.
Yeah, right.
Sorry.
Man. Hey, the boy out here, I ain't gonna lie. They got all type of shit out here, for real, for real. All type of shit. Look at this shit. Oh, that's a Nova? I about to say, I don't even know what that is. I say it look like a Nova, but shit, I don't be knowing. A lot of them bitches, I don't know what they is. Oh, they must be all ganged up, so they all about to ride. Uh-oh. I bet got some detail on it. Oh, the Grinch here before Christmas. Man, this be clean. cruising off to. They about to go hit a couple of blocks. Hope y'all got AC in the old bitches. This is stupid high. Found the treasure chest. Try not to talk and just let y'all peep out the whips, but you don't know, I can talk my ass off. Please believe it. Crop dusting. Look at this bitch. It be clean. Go back this way, see if they're playing that music still. Oh, he didn't crank that marrow up. That bitch sound like it'll get somewhere. Bad. All right, folks. Shit. Got the train horn popping out here. Unless that's the real train. But the fucking headache is so hot. Uh-oh. That's he's singing, man. I'm gonna have to play music over this or something. Walk a little fast. Technically, that ain't copyrighted. It's somebody singing.
Oh, yes, it will.
That's a dude.
It's been too hard living, but I'm afraid to die. 'Cause I don't know what's up there.
Snowball. Oh, they got music playing. Dirty bitches.
Oh, they're right there. We'll just go.
And Dagger is the goal. They got a whole band set up over there. Dirty bitches. If y'all don't hear from me no more, that mean I melted out here. I'm hot, but I ain't melting heat. So I'm back. I guess my battery died just now. I don't know what happened, but it just completely cut off on me just now. But we back at the action though, man. He had a for sale sign up. He just put that bitch down. I guess he changed his mind. Where is the shade? Where is the shade? The whole ass police car. They damn sure used to hunt niggas in that one. That's funny, that ain't funny. Rock out here. That boy trying to get the police some flowers. Y'all like, didn't you come from this way? Yeah, man, my battery about to die. I forgot to charge it up. Which I said I was anyway. And laid up there and didn't charge it up because I'm tripping. That bit about to die. That's probably why it cut off. Oh, got a shade. I don't know about that road running. Hey, that bitch clean. But look at that. That wasn't a bad vlog for y'all, eh? Let y'all peep out some whips. I ain't even talk too much. I just let y'all see the whips. You see the sweat. And my battery about to die though. So, shh. I'm gonna do this again. Just not today. Yeah, man. But I'm gonna let y'all rock. Y'all go do what y'all was doing. But come back. Because you already gotta like, comment, subscribe, and share. So you gotta come back. Go check that out. What is that? It's a motherfucking dog. But yeah, y'all don't come back. You know what I'm saying? I know it was a little dry, but this was a whole vlog for y'all to peep out the car, not me. You did? But come back, check me out.